What are you doing there, Kyle? Well, I'm glad you asked. Got a snotty nose. But just finished welding on the heels on the bucket that I didn't get finished yesterday. But they are all done. Went ahead and flipped the teeth over where the previous owner put them on backwards for some reason. I don't understand why. Then I had to tack weld the locking pins in there just to make sure they stay in there. But I got whatever that stuff is all over my hands. If you've ever put on new gloves, you know exactly what I'm talking about. I got all them little fibers of the deer skin in my nose. When I took them off, it just puffed. And I took a breath about the same time, and it's all up in my nose. But anyway, we got that finished. Got about, I think Cat told us for the pins, the pin and all the bushings, I think it's right at $3,000. So they're gonna get them ordered. We'll probably tackle that maybe today or the next day. But as you can see the big old gap. It's a lot of slop. So we're gonna go over there to another job site just right down the road where we got our John Deere, 870. We're gonna take the counterweight off so we can get. For some reason it cut off until I stopped talking and looked and I said, shoot, the phone's off. Anyway, we're gonna go over to the 870. We're gonna take the counterweight off and get it ready to be sent up north and get a guy to fix all the pins and the bushings and the boom and the stick, and if it needs line bore, we're gonna get it painted. They're over there pressure washing it now, so we're gonna get that counterweight off and get it cleaned up, ready to transport up there to him. So I'll probably make a video when I get over there. I don't know when my phone keeps cutting off, but we're gonna go over there to 870. We're gonna take the counterweight off. If you didn't get it on the last video, I ain't gonna do it again. But anyway, we're gonna take that video off, or that counterweight off, and get it ready to go north so they can fix the boom, stick, all the joints where it connects, pins and bushings, line board if it needs it. He's gonna paint the whole machine on the 870 and make it look pretty much brand new, because we plan on keeping that machine till it just turns to dust, hopefully, because it is a good machine. But I will try and make a video of maybe during and after taking the counterweight off, but it's a big machine, so it'll take a little bit. But anyway, I'm gonna cut this machine off and I'm gonna roll up everything and get ready to go over there. Well, we out here trying to take that counterweight off. Mitch is about 6'3", so that's how big it is. That's how thick it is. And I cannot remember how much that thing weighs. I want to say they said it was 23,000 pounds, maybe a little bit more. Anyway, I have to take 2 bolts out. There's 2 bolts, 1, 2, holds it in there. And then there's a piston. I will show you hydraulic cylinder. It is right here. And it pushes up. And it will swing out. And then it will let it straight back down. Just sit it down. We're going to spin the machine, pick the counterweight off, sit it over here out of the way. We got the bolts taken out. As you can see, that's where it's broke free from the top for the bolts. That's what keeps the bolts for. Then he will flip the switch and he will let it down. I don't know why it's going up, but if he'll let it down, there it goes. It's got to come off them bottom hinges. There it goes. There's one of them. And there she is. that's as fast as it will go. And all we will do is take the pins, as you can see, take the pins out of there, both sides, and it will be free. We'll raise it back up, flip the switch, and it'll be ready for transport after it gets cleaned. I had to cut 2 new pins because they lost the 2 pins, but that is how you remove the counterweight. And then we will hook up with the chain and we'll pick it up, we'll spin it around and put it somewhere else, probably. But that's pretty much the gist of it. There's 1 pin. A little bit more, alright? And then that's it. It'll raise up in there and it will lock itself back up and job done. But that's it. Hope y'all have a wonderful and blessed Thursday afternoon.